Alliance is 0. We have South PH, 2 South PH.
From southeast. Isa na dito ka magbomba, oh. Sa ano?
Put up.
Go check.
Food up, boys. Food up. O sino?
Oh, let's go see.
O sino?
Dog.
Gago.
Magkukul ako ng ano mo, engage mo, ha? I'm gonna call for the engage mo. Ikaw na lang clapper namin, men. Kasi may ka.
Aris, you just listen to Leggy fake engage.
Baka pag namatay ako, ikaw mag-call.
Don't self engage.
Spread south. Bunny, Earth turn engage. Spread southwest. Spread southwest. That's fake. Man, that's fake. Spread southwest. That is fake engage, okay? That is fake engage. HOJ is fake engage. Come southwest. Southwest more.
May tumawag pa.
Spread southwest more.
Nako po.
So,
Tumawag
boy.
pa.
Play.
Bunny going west, huh?
Yeah. Wait, they're gonna clear. Let's go. Come west. Gusto ko yung full push to.
Andrea, go side.
Come back. We're fine. Just chill at the middle. We got the castle, boys. We have the castle. Come here. Don't get engaged there, man. Wish. You're too close. Just hold. We're gonna counter, okay? Some brawlers, you can come from northeast side. You go from northeast side, the other brawlers. They're gonna look for engage now. Come east side, come east, pull them east. Pull them east more. Tanks, pull them east. That's fake. We're gonna engage in the front. Push west. He's the front, boys. Push west. Push on west. West in 5, in 4, in 3, 2, 1. On the clam, west. On the clam, northwest. Damage north. They're wiped. Keep roll. Come back southwest. They're gonna make a clam. Come back. Stop looting, man. Bunny, die. Push now. Defense front. Wipe these fuckers. We can engage northwest. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On clam northwest. Huge clam, boys. Nice damage. Push them through.
Bosseg, may buwa ka laban.
Buwas sa west.
Come back fast. Go inside the castle. Stop looting. Go inside the castle. Stop looting. Stop fighting. Go inside the castle. Fast. Inside the castle. Stop looting, man. Come back inside now. Or group inside. Come inside. If you die, you're stupid, man. Come inside. Come here. Inside. We're gonna fight Buwa inside.
Level only.
Level only. I mark their color, okay? Skull, on the skull, ah. I mark them, we're gonna counter. Ready, brawlers on northeast, okay? Just hold. Establish this guy.
Free engage on me. Use that BM.
Just hold. Just looking for engage. Spread. Fake. Nice. Hold. Come back. He think you're the caller, man. He's looking for engage. West. Push west. Push west. West. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On the west. Damage. Brawl west, boys. Brawl on west. Damage. Spread. Heal my front. Push. They get no engage. Push. They're dying. Come back southwest. Stabilize. Kill these guys inside. Come back. He's looking. Ready defense. Come back southeast. Come back southeast fast. Nacy, southeast fast. It's looking. Earth turn is the main engage. Hold. It's looking. Stop them. Hold. Spread east, boys. Spread east. Defense. Heal front. Push west now. Push. Push and brawl. North 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On the north. Damage delete. Huge clap, boys. Don't let them run. Push them. Push. Heals at the front. Push. They're all dying. Push. Ready your defense. They're gonna make an engage. Now. Come back east. Spread. Defense. Brawl now. Defense. Hill front. North in 5. North in 4. In 3, 2, 1. North. Damage. Keep brawl. Nice fucking damage, man. Keep brawling. They're dying. There. We have 5 seconds to brawl. Spread now. They have engaged. Spread. They have engaged. Ready your defense. They're engaging defense. Ties. Brawl now. West 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On make them. Huge clamp, boys. Wipe their shit. They're wiped now, boys. And heals up front. Keep killing them. Keep push. Stay away from the choke. Keep push fast. Keep out. Come out. Get out fast. I need his front. Come out. Stop looting. Come out. Brawl. Spread. Defense. West 5. West 4, 3, 2, 1. On my clamp again. Huge clamp. Nice fucking delete.
Nice.
Keep going. They're all dead. They're running.
They're running.
Dito lang to kay, dito lang. Tayo ka lang sa akin.
Putang ina, pagod ako.
Ayos yan, panalo
Ano
ko.
to?
Wala kang boots, boss, ah.
Yes, mag-habol ba tayo?
Huwag na.
GG na.
Huwag na.
Kill them all.
Don't kill
Kawawa na.
them.
Yan yun na, guys.
Don't kill them anymore. Come on.